Hi guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Akyat lang ako sa taas guys, gising ng aking baby, umiyak na. Silipin ko muna isa kong anak na makulit kung anong ginagawa niya guys. Alam ko nakaabang na naman niya sa pinto. Kita nyo guys, ayan sa pinto. Nakasilip talaga yan siya lagi guys kapag halimbawa wala kami dyan sa labas. Tingnan nyo siya guys, oh. Sobrang kulit niyan, parang bata din yan. Pangalawang bata dito sa bahay. Akyat lang ako sa taas guys. Dahil umiyak na yung isa kong baby doon. Yung baby ko talagang
Where are you? Why are you crying? Oh. Why are you crying, baby? The thunder. We don't have... What the thunder? It's nothing thunder, baby.
The rain is here. It's everything.
The rain? It's nothing rain, baby. Why are you crying? Are you scared?
Rain is here, but
Oh, you kawawa. You're alone here? Huh? I told you how many times don't be scared of thunder and rain, okay? Did you hear that? Don't be scared, okay? Mommy and daddy's busy downstairs.
oh no.
Why?
The aircon is switched off for the radio.
The aircon, it's okay. It's already off in it. Daldal na siya, guys. Kasi 2 years
Oh
old na
no.
siya.
Mommy.
2 years, baby.
They're out.
Mm. Really?
Oh no. We see daddy. It's still over.
Ayan, guys. Hindi ko siya dito maiwan sa sa kwarto kasi ayan Scared daw siya sa thunder at saka rain. Are you scared?
Oh, still the thunder raining.
Are you scared of thunder? Okay. It's only thunder. Don't be scared. Takot siya sa ulanggay at saka sa thunder daw, sa kulog. You're kawawa. Kawawa ang bibi. Say, have a good day, everyone. Come on, have a good day, everyone. So, yun lang, guys, for today natin.
Guys.
Bye-bye.
Hi, little Peter.
Hi, bye-bye,
Bye,
everyone.
everyone. Mommy's broken.
It's okay, we can fix it later, okay? See you sa susunod na video, guys. Bye-bye.